Well, the party's over, your guests have gone home with full bellies, the plates are clean, and it's time for the fun part, cleaning the barbecue. Not. Luckily, the Genesis is so easy to keep clean and working just like new. First, let's start with the cooking grills. You may be wondering or have a friend that says having a dirty barbecue creates the flavour. Well, they are wrong. To get the best flavour and cooking results, it's important that you preheat your barbecue every time before you cook for at least 15 minutes. What this does is burns off the leftover food and debris so you can simply brush it away with a wire brush. If you're looking to do a deeper clean on your Genesis, wait until it has completely cooled down so you can handle the parts. If you would like to deep clean your Genesis, next you can remove the cooking grills and move on to the Flavorizer bars. Simply brush away any clumps that form on these, or if you'd like to do a deeper clean, wash them in hot soapy water. Underneath the Flavorizer bars, you'll find the pure blue burners. These should be pretty clean, but if you would like to give them a brush, just be sure to use a clean wire grill brush. Brush across rather than along the burners so you don't clog them up. Next, there's the heat deflectors. Use a cookbox scraper to quickly scrape them down, or again, these can be washed in hot soapy water too. Then using that same cookbox scraper, you can scrape down the cookbox to shimmy down any debris that hasn't quite made its way down into the grease management system. Underneath the cookbox is the pull and clean grease management system. This is where the unburnt fats and debris have started to make their way down into the drip pan. Use your cookbox scraper to help them on their way down into that drip pan. The pull and clean tray is porcelain enamel coated, so it is super easy. If you want to give it that deep clean too, it'll wash up just like new. Now that the inside of the barbecue is all clean and all the grease and debris is in that drip pan, it's time to pull it out and replace it with a new one. I'd recommend giving your Genesis a deep clean like this every 5th cook or so. But before you cook on your barbecue every single time, make sure your cooking grill is clean and check on that drip pan. As soon as it has a layer of grease in it, it's time to change it out with a new one. Keeping the outside of your Genesis looking clean and beautiful is super simple. All you need to do is use Weber's all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber cloth. You can spray it over the lid, side tables and doors. And now simply wipe it away. And that's it. Your Weber Genesis is now ready for the next time you'd like to entertain without limits or for that midweek barbie.